So he turned to look, and who was it? And he said, Elyria, we gotta go. And they took off running again. Yay! Okay, I want to introduce you to my buddy over here with the spiky hair. This is my friend, Ned. Everybody say, yo, Ned.
Today is our Ned show on the Resilience ride. We're preparing for our Ohio State testing, so we wanted to motivate the students to do their very best with our character Ned. Ned stands for never give up, encourage others, and to do your very best. This is the expectations we have of our students as they prepare for their Ohio State test. So we're looking to motivate, excite, and invigorate them for testing. The assembly is for K through 4, but it's focusing on our 3-4 students who will be testing next week. But the assembly is geared for grades K through 4. They actually do pre-K, if I'm not mistaken, if needed, and it goes up to grade 6. The assembly is about the motivation and that you could do your very best with the premise of yo-yoing. That we have a yo-yo master here today who will be teaching our students some tricks and what they can do with their own yo-yos. We will have a yo-yo sale next week where students can purchase their own yo-yos to practice what they've learned today.